Mom, I really want to place a pet. Yes, I know. Yes. So, I need to follow your condition and build the cage, right? Okay, okay. Okay, Mom. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Jay, what's wrong?
Let me tell you what's wrong. Like this. Like this. I want to rest two different types of pet, which is one is bunny and one is hamster. But my specialist said that I cannot put them in a same cage, so I need to build two different cage.
Okay then.
My mom condition is the cage must have different shape, one in circular shape and one in square shape. But the thing is, I only have 15 meters long of mesh in my father's garage.
So that's it? The problem?
No, the thing is, my mom also told me to build the cage in the smallest area possible. How can I manage to do that?
So the main problem is you don't know how to build two different cage in a different shape, which is circle and square.
Yes.
And you only have 15 meter of mesh, right?
Yes, that's right.
So you also need to build it in smallest area.
Yes.
So it's easy, bro. Okay, come, follow me.
The method we use is the optimization method. Okay, first we have 15 meters long of mesh. We must find the smallest area from the total area. The circle, the formula for the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and its area is pi r square. For the square, we have perimeter of 4x and x square of area for the area formula. First, we must find the total area for both of the shape. X square we get the area from the square, and then pi r square we get the area from the circle. This part we substitute the r with our second equation, which is from the circumference equation. The circumference total is 4x, we get the perimeter from the square, and 2 pi r is the circumference from the circle. So we make the r into subject, and then we get this equation. We substitute into this equation, our total area equation, and then we get this equation. The next step is we find the first derivative of the equation above. We differentiate each of the value, and then we get this, our final derivative equation. 2x plus in bracket minus 1 to 0 plus 32x over 4 pi.
Okay, after we get the first derivative equation, so we equal the equation with the 0 in order to get the critical point. So from this equation, we solve for the x, and we will get x is equal to 2.1 meter. Then, in order to get the maximum value of x, we use from the square shape equation from the area of the square. So we take 15 is equal to 4x, and we solve for the x, we will get 3.75. This is the max value of x. So the range of the x will be 0 less than x less than 3.75. So from this value, we take any value which is smallest than 2.1 and largest than 2.1, but in this range. So we take 1 and 3. So from this value, we just substitute in the equation, which is this equation. So when we substitute the equation with 1, we will get negative 5.002. When we substitute with 3, we will get positive 4.09. So when we get negative 5.002, the graph will be like this, will decrease, and then when we substitute with 3, it will increase. So this is the minimum point, which is 2.1 for the value of x.
After we get the value of x, which is 2.1, we can substitute the value of x into this r equation. Substitute the value, and then we get r equal to 1.05 meter. And then we can use the r value and the x value into the equation of area total. Substitute the value of x and r, and we get the area total is 7.87 meter square. This equation is for our checking. So c equal to 2 pi r plus 4x. Substitute the value of r and x, and the answer should be less than 15. So we get the answer is 14.997 meter, which is less than 15. Therefore, our answer is correct.
Okay, so do you understand what I have explained to you?
Yes. After this, I will bring this calculation to my mom and convince her.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mankal. You're the best. Assalamualaikum. Hello, Mr. Specialist.
Yeah, Waalaikumsalam. Hello.
I want to take my pet that I ordered yesterday.
Oh, the hamster and the rabbit, right?
Yes.
Oh, this is your hamster.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so cute.
A little bit different, but
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, it's okay lah. And the other one is your rabbit.
Oh, this is beautiful.
this
This
is
is
the-
exactly
the
the
most
same.
Yes.
How much is it?
$4 only.
$4.
$4. Oh.
Thank you.
So cheap ah.
So cheap.
Smart.